with her. Oh, your body's so lit like They say your body ready for the summer. It's all about like sun.
Bonjour, bonsoir, buenos dias, buenas noches. Hey, everybody, we back. Definitely make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications, okay? So today's video is brought to you guys by wigtypes.com, and I'll put all that information in the description area. This wig today is Lovelyn. I believe that's how you say it, y'all. So this is a cute one. It looks like an everyday wig, something you can wear anytime, you know, the summer, winter, spring, fall, whatever season you in. You just want a cute little wig you could throw on and go. This looks like it could be the one. So definitely make sure you guys check out my website. Well, I have two of them, somorelove.com as well as empresslooks.com for my cute little clips, okay? Had to get it together. But yeah, that's definitely, I do have a free shipping code, which I will put in the description area as well, which is currently in effect. So this wig that you saw was on my other channel. I will link that as well so you guys can check it out. Now, let's see. So I already cut off the lace. It had the HD high definition lace. This is how it's looking, light and bright. So let's see. You see all of that? That's the parting space. Those are the places that you can part it. And, you know, it's nice and cute and short. It looks like it's moving and shaking. It's giving me human hair vibes. Like, yeah. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Boom, boom, boom. We about to pop it on. Okay. Here we go, y'all. So this is definitely big head friendly, y'all. So what I had to do was draw it in a little bit. And we just doing it straight up. So yeah, I had to like put her in a few notches so that she won't be falling off my head. We don't want that. Man, those be the worst. When you think your wig is good, but it's like slipping back a little something. It happens, y'all. It definitely happens. So now let's try this again. Pop her on. Now put in a little comb in the back. And okay, I was just putting her on real quick, and I was already impressed when I was feeling the style. It's not even fixed properly, y'all, and I'm excited. That's how you know. That's how you know. So look at that instant style, y'all. She is the bomb. So we gotta do a little bit of something, just a little something to her, just to fix her up, you know, the way she's supposed to be fixed up. But, okay. I like that little flip that it got going on too. It definitely looks like it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of gel on the edge right there, just to like, you know, give a little bit of flair, a little bit of style right there. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, let's just take this little old dirty toothbrush that I got and do the little gel situation right there. Just right where the part is. See, it just gives a little bit of style to it, you know? I like the way that looks. And this is totally optional. This is nothing that has to be done. I only do it because, you know, I'm not putting any glues or tapes. I like to keep it easy breezy on this channel. I'm not doing extra anymore because honestly I don't like doing it. So I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it simple. So that's what we doing here. And yeah, we just doing that real quick just to give it a little bit of style. And the only other thing I probably would have did was I probably would have like made it because I feel like it has a little bit of a lump, but it can definitely be fixed. So yeah, now we're just gonna put a little bit of powder just up in that part just to make it a little bit more prominent and more looking like it's a part, you know, so it could look like it's like scalpage coming through, like big. I do see the cap a little bit, so I would probably use like either a black cap or no cap with this particular wig because the lace is so light and it does show through. But with the powder, it is helping to camouflage that a lot more, which is absolutely great. And that's about it. I mean, I'm not going to put too much powder up in there. Honestly, I don't think there'll be any real shedding with this wig. If I had to give it a rating, as I usually do, I would give this one a 9. A 9. Well, I can actually give it a 9.5 to be honest, because it's big head friendly. It has a cute little style that's probably going to be retained. And the only thing I did see a little line of demarcation, so that would make it not a super easy breezy wig. You know, you would have to put a little bit of work, maybe a little powder, or just kind of darken that up, or even take out a little bit of your hair to cover up that line that I see on the forehead. But it's not super visible, but you know, I'm a little anal when it comes to stuff like that. But other than that, I mean, yeah, it's a pretty easy breezy, super cute everyday type of wig. All right, y'all. So yes, we are jamming, we are fly. You can't tell me nothing, boo. We ready. Too cute, y'all. Too cute. And it's a perfect, literally perfect length for my little neck. Okay. So yes, yeah, she's banging. Definitely make sure once again you check out empresslooks.com, okay, for my posh hair accessory clips. Support your girl so I can continue to pop these videos out for y'all. All right, here we go. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. And don't forget to share, thumbs up, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Later. Who's that girl? La 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 la.